Hi, I'm Graham Simpson. I'm a Basie Level 4 ISTD ski teacher. Welcome to Skiing for Beginners. In this video, we're going to cover your very first day on skis. So clipping into the skis, the stance, and starting to move around on the skis. So the first thing we need to do is put on the skis or clip into the skis. Just use your poles to help you balance. And on a beautiful day like today, when there's fresh snow, there might be some fresh snow stuck to the bottom of your boots. Just tap that off using the front binding, pop your toe in, make sure your heel's straight, and just press down, you hear a nice click. And do the same with the other one. Then we need to learn how to stand on the skis. So there's a posture that comes up in lots of sports. Comes up in skiing, comes up in snowboarding, comes up in tennis. When you see a tennis player waiting for a serve, and it's what I call a ready for action position. Basically, you flex your ankles, your knees, and your hips. Just flex down that stance. And with the arms, just bring the arms out to the side, about a foot, and out to the front, about a foot, in that ready for action position. Nice and relaxed and responsive. So I'm just going to show you a couple of ways of getting up the hill. The first one is what I call the duck walk. We just open the skis at the front, stops us sliding backwards, and just simply walk up like a duck. You can use your poles to help push along as well. And if it gets too steep, we just turn the skis sideways. So with the side stepping, we need to just put the skis on a bit of an edge. We incline the knees up the hill. If we don't, this downhill ski will just drift away. So pop the skis onto an edge, and then you can just walk up on those two edges, using your poles to give you some balance as well. So now we've made our way up to a nice slopey bit. We're just going to get used to moving on the skis or straight running down the hill. First thing we do is just point your poles down the hill and just turn your skis to face between your poles. When you feel comfortable, just pop yourself into that nice tennis player position we've already talked about, and then just let yourself slide between the poles and off you go. So in today's video, we've learned how to put on the skis, clipping in, the stance, so that nice tennis player position, duck walking up the hill and sidestepping, and just straight running down the hill, getting used to moving. And in the next video, we're going to learn how to snowplow.